In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on comments on your Instagram posts. So if you have a post that you had turned off the commenting section, let me show you how you can turn it on. Now to get started, all you need to do is to tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner here, and this will open up all the posts that you have on your Instagram. Then you need to identify the post that you had turned off the commenting section, and for my case, I had turned off on this. Now as you can see, we don't have the comment section. As you can read here, comments are off, and you can only see here a like button, but we are missing a comment button. To restore it, all we need to do is to tap on these three dots and then look for an option called turn on commenting. If I tap on this turn on commenting, immediately we'll see the comment section now is active on our post. That's how you turn on comments on your posts on Instagram. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if you like this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.